It is confirmed that Tesla will build a battery factory in Grünheide in the premises of Giga Berlin. But Tesla has not submitted the application yet. However, Tesla is already looking for stuff. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news analysis and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or EV coverage. According to Brandenburg, the US electric car manufacturer Tesla has not yet submitted an application for its planned battery factory in Grünheide near Berlin, which is to be built near the car factory. You know that several months ago, Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, said that Tesla is going to build the world's largest battery factory in Grünheide, and it is, like I said, confirmed. However, there is no application for that yet after several months, but it is confirmed again and again that Tesla battery factory is to be built in Grünheide, said Brandenburg's Economic and Labor Minister Jörg Steinbach on Wednesday, January 28th, in the Economic Committee of the State Parliament, reports Berlin.de. So far, however, neither his ministry nor the State Office for the Environment have known whether the approval should be based on building law or the Federal Immission Control Act. To do this, detailed documents would first have to be made available. Tesla asked him to wait when he asked. The company is already looking for stuff. In other words, when Jörg Steinbach asked, what is the update on the battery factory application and so on, Tesla apparently asked him to wait, and but Jörg Steinbach also revealed that the company is already looking for stuff, I assume for stuff for the battery factory. Now, Tesla wants to start production in Grünheide in June-July of 2021. In the first phase, 12,000 employees and up to 500,000 vehicles per year are planned for Giga Berlin. Conservationists and local residents consider the water consumption to be too high, and they see protected animals in danger in Grünheide area. Tesla CEO Elon Musk also wants to make the plant near Berlin the world's largest battery factory, as I said. Because approval for the factory is pending, Tesla is building in steps through early approval, or they're called provisional approval. Now, Steinbach expects environmental approval in the first quarter of 2021. Last week, the company had deposited an outstanding security deposit of 100 million euros, which is about 120 million US dollars, shortly before the end of the extended deadline for further construction. The minister now expects the decision on the environmental final approval of the car factory Giga Berlin in the first quarter of this year. Here's what he said about the approval, quality, and so on. Quality comes before speed, said Steinbach. And he continues saying, if an approval is given, then it should have a quality that it can withstand legal challenges, so to speak. I think this makes very good sense to me. We have been surprised by the amazing speed of Giga Berlin's construction so fast, but now Steinbach says that quality needs to come before speed, and when this final environmental permit is granted, when that approval is given, it should have a quality that it can withstand legal challenges, so to speak. And we know that Tesla Giga Berlin has had several or lots of legal challenges, especially from the environmental organizations, water conservationists, because the area sits, the Giga factory sits on a water conservation area, not to damage underground waters. Now, Deputy Zexman accused political influence in the approval process. Berlin.de reports saying the the Free Water MP Philipp Zexman accused the government, Brandenburg government, again of exerting political influence in this whole process. If the State Office for the Environment at clerk level does not consider Tesla documents to be interpretable and accessible according to the Federal Immission Control Act and the hazardous incident ordinances, and the approval process is started a few days later, there has obviously been influence somewhere, said Zexman. Now, Zexman gave no political influence. Steinbach says he gave no political influence. Steinbach rejected that accusation by Zexman, Berlin.de reports, and he pointed out to that Tesla objection to the application was no longer applicable and that documents had been updated. We have no influence on the LFU or other sub-authorities or others like that. Please stop these accusations, Steinbach retorted to Zexman. So friends, this is where things are standing in terms of Giga Berlin's construction and the battery factory, because the news is now shifting toward the battery factory as the shell of Giga Berlin is already being basically finished and interior work has been started and going on for some reason, and we know that the interior is being already air conditioned temporarily so that people in the interior can work. You know that it snowed in the area, but now the interest and in the media and in everywhere is shifting toward the world's largest battery factory that Tesla wants to build in Grünheide. Whether this will be inside the premises of Giga Berlin or just outside, because yesterday we learned that Tesla wanted to buy a warehouse which is 3 times a soccer field. I reported that yesterday, so we'll see where this battery factory is going to be housed by Tesla. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Peace be with all of you. God bless you, everyone. See you soon.